Follow along with the printed assembly instructions and plug in the audio monitor. While plugged in, the audio monitor will be powered on and in standby, enabling you to listen in on your baby from wherever you may be using the convenient Connected Family app. The audio monitor features remote audio monitoring, allowing you to tap to unmute and listen to baby. Note: if you're currently in the same room, you may experience an echo. You can also use two-way talk to soothe baby from another room. Tap the sounds and music icon to cycle through 5 built-in sounds. Press and hold the icon for 2 seconds to turn the sounds off. Tap the volume icon to cycle through the 5 volume levels. A 6th tap turns the volume off. To adjust sounds and music from the app, tap the icon. Here you can select a sound, adjust the volume, and enable either repeat or shuffle modes. You can also choose to play sounds or music from your smartphone using Bluetooth. To pair your smartphone with the monitor, hold the pairing button for 2 seconds to enter pairing mode. In your smartphone's Bluetooth menu, select Maxi-Cosi Audio Monitor. When connected, the Bluetooth indicator on the monitor will remain solid blue. To pause Bluetooth playback, tap the sounds and music icon. Press and hold the icon for 2 seconds to return to built-in sounds. The audio monitor includes 3 vibration modes, each with 3 different intensities. Tap the vibration icon to begin vibration. To change modes, press and hold the icon for 2 seconds. Tapping the vibration icon multiple times will increase the speed. While in the app, select a vibration mode by tapping its icon. Use the slider below to change speeds. The audio monitor includes a nightlight with 3 brightness levels that can be activated manually or via a motion sensor. Tap the nightlight icon to turn on the light, increasing the brightness with each additional tap. Press and hold the icon for 2 seconds to change between manual control and motion sensing mode. You can also manage the nightlight and motion control through the app. Simply adjust the slider to increase brightness. Tap to toggle motion sensing mode either on or off. You can also control the distance at which the light will activate, how it reacts to the light in your room, as well as the duration the nightlight stays on each time motion is detected. The audio monitor includes 2 default timers: nap time at 30 minutes or bedtime at 180 minutes. Timers can be configured within the app. Select a preset or set a custom time up to a maximum of 8 hours. You can choose to start the timer or even save it as the default preset. An in-progress timer can be canceled at any time. At the end of the timer, audio playback, vibration, and the nightlight will be turned off. With the built-in scenes function, the audio monitor can automatically soothe your fussy baby. While in the app, tap a scene to enable it. Choose to either begin immediately or once crying is detected. You can also create up to 4 custom scenes. Configure vibration mode and speed, soothing sound and volume, and adjust the timer. To better identify the scene, you can make a name. Choose an icon and give it a color. Tap Save when your custom scene is completed. The touch panel can be locked or unlocked via the app. From the home panel, toggle Child Lock, either on or off. To reset the audio monitor to its original settings, press and hold both the reset and pairing buttons for 10 seconds. You can also reset the device from the app. Tap Settings, then tap Remove Device. The audio monitor will be removed from the app and be restored to factory defaults. The device will need to be paired again for future use.